Hey guys, welcome back to Rochelle. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm coming to you with another hair tutorial. So I'm going to be adding some gray color to my hair. I'm super excited, and the product I'll be using, it doesn't require me to bleach my hair or to add any harmful substances, so that's really cool, and it's temporary, it can be washed out. So if you're interested in seeing this video, continue watching, and remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow me on all my social media platforms at Rochelle. Alright, so let's go. So to begin, I'll be using this product called Hair Paint Wax. I used it before on another hair tutorial that I filmed about a year ago, where I had a mixture of colors. It was like blue, purple, teal, and the silver. So you guys can head over and check that out if you're interested in having a multicolored look and you want to see how that looks, then watch that video. But for this one, it's strictly silver or gray, whichever you call it. So this is what the inside looks like, and it's a simple, easy process. It's really it's just taking the product. Ignore my fingernails, right? I had on fingernails and I need to go get a manicure, but ignore my fingernails. Anyway, so it's about just taking the product, take some on your finger and just rubbing it in your hair on the curls. I usually like to separate the curls and do them kind of individually. Now let's glide it along. See, ooh, I got gray hair. Ooh, there's really nothing to it. You just keep doing that until you're done. You just keep adding. So you just kind of take some of the clumps of curls. And the good thing about this for me is that I know I see a lot of videos online that people say that it runs on your clothes or run on your sheet, but I haven't had that experience. I'm not sure if it's because I have gel in my hair, so the gel probably holds it together, but it doesn't happen for me. I need somewhere to put it. I have it between my legs. So it's just, as I said, just take the product, you run it along. And what I love the most about this is the fact that I don't have to bleach my hair to get a vibrant color, you know, which is good, because as I said in the other tutorial, I had blue and green and, you know, purple, and it was bright. I didn't have to do anything. And then when it was time for me to wash it out, it just come out in ease. You go under the shower, rub your hand in it, and it all comes out. Actually heading to the beach right now, so you know who's not going in the water, right? I was going just to go, just a chill, fun vibes day. I love it already. Look. So you don't have to like do it individually like I'm doing. You can literally just hold the curls and the whole hair and just rub it up. But I'm trying to keep my curls. You see, I did rub up here, so and my curls became not so defined. So that's why I don't do it like that. My hair kind of not up right now, but I like when my curls are defined. I love it, guys. I love it. So you just keep doing that until you have your desired amount, and then you stop. If you want all of it gray, you do to all of it is gray. If you want just some of it with streaks, which I don't want all of mine to be gray, I just want some of it. So I'm gonna continue, speed up the video, and then check back with you in a few minutes. Alright, so this is what we're looking like right now. I'm all grayed out. Yes. So this is the sides. I'm not so sure if it's evenly distributed because honestly I can't see the back nor the sides. I can only see the front. So this was me in the back, like, you know, hoping that it's evenly distributed. But if you have a friend or a family member or somebody around you, you can ask them to help you with the back, but I don't have anybody here right now, so I just did my thing. So let me show you what the back looks like. I guess when I look at the footage, I'll know what the back looks like. You see what the back looks, and then the next side, and then we're right back, front and center. I love it. I love it. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And again, thank you guys for watching. I hope this video will help you in your decision making process when you're deciding if to go with a gray or silver hair or not, and if to get something temporary or permanent. My suggestion is to get something temporary that you can easily wash out, like this product. I mean, it's not sponsored, but I like to, you know, showcase good things and find the good things, you know, and it doesn't damage my hair or dry out my hair or anything like that. It's like, I have absolutely no issues, no lie, honestly. I don't have no issues. It just works, and when I'm ready to wash it out, it goes. I mean, I'm not allowed to wear color to work because I have a 9-to-5 corporate job, so in the week I can't wear color. So it's usually like on the weekend that I put in this color, so I put it on a Friday or a Saturday, and it pains my heart to wash it out on a Sunday because it looks so good and I don't want it to wash it out, but I have to, and it's usually a breeze to just wash out. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you think, and probably need to mold my hair a little more so it can look more uniform, but let me know what you think. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to follow me on my Instagram page at Rocheline, follow me on Twitter at Rocheline, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is also Rocheline. Thank you again, and see you in the next video. Remember, I'm posting every single Wednesday now, guys. My posting schedule is on a Wednesday, so look out for my video every single Wednesday, and then you'll get a bonus video some Fridays. But for now, I'm trying to stick to a Wednesday schedule. So again, thank you. See you later.